How to change hair color in Picsart. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of hair and edit it. First of all, here in the middle, you can see this plus icon. Tap on this plus icon. Now you can create or open any of the images that you want to edit. Just tap on the image that you want to edit. Now you're in your editing platform. Here on the bottom, you can see one option called retouch. Tap on this retouch button. So you must select hairstyles here. Tap on hairstyles. So this is the place where you can change the hair color and even hairstyles. So just swipe right and find the right one. Here I'm tapping on this pink hair. So let's wait for some time. It is fixing details. So it will automatically change the hairstyle. So as you can see, the hairstyle has been completely changed and it has been turned into pink. So at last you can just tap on this apply button and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.